Some have not been so happy here about the rollout of the vaccination process and the slow rollout, if you can call it that. Danielle Miller is live this morning with details on this part of the process. Good morning, Danielle.
Hey, Celeste, good morning. Yeah, we're here at a vaccination site here. This is at the Chandler Gilbert Community College. This is opening right at 7 o'clock. And this is actually exciting out here because the Arizona National Guard has been training people who may be retired from the medical world, students out here today. And some of those people who have stepped up to this challenge to get retrained to be able to administer this vaccination are going to be administering it here today for the first time. We're speaking with Colonel Leeper here. He's with the Arizona National Guard. Colonel, tell us exactly, these volunteers, who are they and why is this so important here today?
Right. So our volunteers are medical professionals. Most of them are retired. They have the ability and the time to come and volunteer their services.
And exactly why is this important? I mean, we have so many vaccinations that need to be distributed. We need those people to administer them.
Exactly. Yeah. So we have a huge task ahead of us to protect our state and our community. Really a Herculean event. And we just don't have enough people in the healthcare systems that are currently at maximum capacity to let their full-time nurses come and administer vaccinations. So the National Guard is working to help with that gap. But even that amount of individuals is still not enough. So we've been blessed by having volunteers step forward and say they want to help protect their community and their state.
And what have you seen with the turnout? What are you seeing? Who is stepping up to the plate to do this?
Right. So the individuals that contacted us were retired healthcare professionals, and they said that they wanted to join the fight and help stem the tide. And so we have a small group here today. It's our maiden voyage, and we're excited about it. These individuals will hopefully make a good impression, and we'll have more volunteers that will come and step up.
And do you think with these volunteers, is this going to allow more people to get the vaccination quicker?
Absolutely. So in the event that it's a limiting factor for just the ability to push people through the pods, this should expand the vaccination sites so that they can take more people in. And the healthcare providers that are in the first phase are actually a small group. When we open it up to the general public, there's going to be a huge demand, and so it's a all hands on board effort, and these people are really making a change.
And so here today at this site, this is just we're in that 1A phase.
Today we're in 1A.
And then, like you said, moving forward, we're definitely going to need more people to come as we move into those different phases.
Right. And so hopefully these volunteers will inspire more people to step up and do the right thing and say we want to help protect our communities. And this is the way to do it. To stem the tide of the COVID pandemic, we really need folks to come and volunteer.
All right. Thank you so much, Colonel. We appreciate your time this morning. And if you are interested, you can reach out to the Arizona National Guard if you are interested in volunteering. And coming up today, this morning at 8 o'clock, we will be speaking with one of these volunteers who has stepped up to the plate in the challenge to help with the coronavirus pandemic. Guys, for now, we'll send it back to you.